Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this session today, we'll be learning about how to make animated diagrams. Okay. Now I know it takes a few minutes for the people to join, and hey, already I see people are joining. It's good. And now this session will be I'll keep it practical to how to create the animations because last week I've already covered how to make the diagrams, different methods, right? So you can check on that later, right? Now how to create the component on all that things will be covering in upcoming weeks. Okay, no, we don't want to club everything together in a single thing and you understand nothing and longer session, right? We don't want that. So first in this session we'll simply go ahead and learn how to create animated design. Now first of all, what are the methods or how many methods are there to create such animated diagrams, right? Practically there are many. I can just name you like the popular ones. Okay, first one is the PowerPoint, second one using Canva, third one using Figma, and there are many such animated, like, even it's possible that I don't know even the name, but it's most useful and people are uh, properly making it, right? So without any further delay, I know I value your time, we'll quickly get started. So first let me just start sharing the screen, and I think it's a good start that way. Now, now I hope you guys can see the screen. Okay, first method is the most easiest one, that is using Canva. Okay, and I mean Canva is a very popular tool, and I will show you how easily within maybe 5-10 minutes you'll be able to do it. Okay, of course it requires some practice at the beginning, but once you understand the gist of it, it will be very easy. Now let's just go back to that. I mean, go to the design, and it will be super easy. Okay. Okay, so this is the one that you have seen. Let me just quickly show you. Hopefully it will be seen properly. You see, this was the animation, right, that I shared, right? How did I make it, or how you can make it? That was the main thing, right? First, I will just go ahead and create a new design. So let's go to home and click on this create design. Okay, just let me just zoom it a bit. I hope you guys will able to see it. So if you go here and click on this create design, and then you will option, like, now it's up to your target. Where do you want to post it? Do you want to post as a LinkedIn post? Do you want to post as a LinkedIn article? Do you want to post as a maybe Facebook post? So whatever is the post format that you want, simply go ahead and select it. For example, LinkedIn post, because I shared on LinkedIn, right? Now just quickly, now how to make the diagrams and how to export that, again I have covered in my last session, but just so you guys know that how I did it, you can always go to my channel and check that one. Now one thing is that of course you can, I mean, just as a very quick thing, you can go to eraser.io, and there are many examples, right? So I'm just showing you one thing, and see the last time example, like this is example given by that by eraser itself. So you can, what you can do, you can download this one also. Just go and this download option will find it there. You can just go ahead and download it. That is also possible, no problem with that. So for my only requirement is just download the diagram first. Okay, if you want to animate it, for PowerPoint this is not required, but if you're using Canva, because many people not that comfortable with PowerPoint, or maybe they don't want to use PowerPoint because of Microsoft thing. So that's why, and another reason is many designers use Canva proactively. So I think first let me show you Canva, because this is the most popular tool, and this is the most easiest tool also. So that's the reason. Now let me quickly upload it. I think I already uploaded the. I mean, I uploaded. You can upload from there. I already have uploaded one, so I'll just go ahead and enlarge a bit. Okay, so you can see it here. I'm enlarging a bit. This down. First just resize to your screen size, or what is your post size. Okay, based on that just resize the main image. Now how to generate that, refer to my last session. I will just put the link also after this session done. I will put link in the comment section, so you can refer to that, how to create the architecture designs. This is more specific to how to animate it. Okay, now let's get the animation. Okay, let's quickly give me one thing also, and let me know if the screen is, if you feel the screen is smaller and all that, I can take care of that one. So just let me know. Okay, between. Let me see any comments. I'll definitely answer them. Thank you, everyone. I see a lot of people are online. It's a good thing. So let me know in case if you, the screen is smaller on any issues. Let me know. I'll just make the screens bigger anyway. So screen share. Let me just quickly. Okay. Now you can see the screen properly, bigger size, right? That will be better. Okay. Okay. So now how to create animation? First thing you have to add the shape. Like if you see the last diagram on, of course, let me just quickly again go there. Uh, this one, if you see there, I added this shapes, right? So first, your first thing will be to create the shape, and how to do that. So just go to the your this screen where you are creating your or you just uploaded your diagram. Now go there and then see this option elements. So like these elements, click on these elements, and then just look at these shapes. Okay, and we want, I mean, any shape. If you want any shape, you can go with. Just a moment. Let me just put it on now. So you can just go ahead and choose any shape. Okay. Let me just go with the round shape because that's what I like the most. So let me just quickly do it. See, now adjust as per your diagram size. Okay. And see this one. Let me just make it. Now, color also is up to you. You can highlight it. You can make it. You can make it even this particular shape also animated if you want it. It's up to you. I would just keep it simple, okay, so that you guys can take to up to your imagination later on. Now, I like the green one because that's represent the traffic, right? So green traffic. So first, you have to position it where in the places you want the flow to be working. Okay. So um, this first put it here. Now I will just first create the first flow. Okay. So I'll just set it here because this is the starting point, your app.com. You see, this is the starting point. So just go there and then just click on any site, doesn't matter. Again, just click on this and you see this option called animate. This is where the magic begins. Okay. So just click on that part and don't just select from anything yet. Don't do that. Okay. There is a very simplest trick and very simplistic. If you focus this one, is just 90% of thing are done on how to create animation. So click this option, create an animation. This is called custom animation. Okay. Just click on that. Now what they're asking, like, you just draw it. You just draw how slowly or how fast, or like you can adjust the speed later on, but how you want the animation to work. Okay. Now if you want a steady animation, just hold the shift. So I'm just holding the shift and just slowly moving this. Okay. See, slowly I move to this, and if you see, this is working. It's moved, right? So first thing is done. Just like this, I will copy and paste so that I can move it to other places. Okay, maybe just see animation. Okay, let's again just do it like this. Okay, and see, it's going there. Okay, now copy it and paste it other place. Yeah, so that you can easily, as if you once make it, it will be easy to copy and put it other places. So okay, so first point is done. Now this is the next point, right? So again, uh just put it here because this is the flow, the next flow, right? After this is the next flow. Again click on it, and again if you see that animation point being custom, because you just copy pasted the last option. If you just again you do fresh draw and do it takes time, right? So don't do that, just copy paste. Again go to this custom animate and remove. If you come down here, you will get this option delete path, because that path was for the previous one. You want to separate. Again, is asking to create the path. So again, click on, I mean, just press the shift button and then slowly move it down. Okay. See, it's working, right? So similar way, let's just put it other places. Okay. Then we want uh here, right? The next one, again same thing, go to click on custom and then delete path, and it will ask you to get the path again. Hold shift and just slowly do it. Okay, you see, now it's working, right? Now the flow is going on, right? Now, so this is the part where the basic thing. Now if you see my one, okay, this one, and if you see that it's blinking, right? That pulse kind of stuff. This is another very easy stuff, to be honest. Sometimes you may think this is kind of complicated. It's not. Just click on that particular dot, okay. Let me just zoom it. I think then it will be easier for you guys. Then see, there is an option: rotate, flicker, pulse. So the one that we want is, I mean, you can of course go for any effect that you want. I like this pulse, which is looks so live, kind of beating kind of thing, right? So I'll just do pulse. Again, I will select the next one and I will click on custom and make it pulse. Third one also, I will just go and click on pulse. Okay. So now if you preview, you see that pulse thing is going on and it looks so good, right? Okay. Now what you want, just like this, let's go and copy this dot to all other places. That is the next step. Okay. So just copy, paste, and then move it to here. Then copy, paste, and move it to wait, move it to here. Again, copy, Control C, Control V, move it to here. Control C, Control V, again move it to here. Now here we want two-sided, right? So we want another copy paste. So we'll put one here and another here. Okay. Another, let's copy and put it here. Again, copy, how I'm doing, just selecting that particular green dot, Control C and Control V. That's it. Similar way we want in here also. Okay. And another one in this. Then we want, let's just adjust it. You can use the arrow to adjust, okay, your keyboard arrow, and then again paste it here, paste it here. Okay, so this is how we are pasting it. Now another one we want here, because we have another flow here, right? From here it will go to up, so that's why we want here. Just paste another one and the final one here. So this is the just part one. I mean, we just made the pasting, right? You know the part two, right? You have to now create the paths. So again, click on custom, delete the old path and hold shift. Then on just first adjust it. Okay, sometime adjust properly and then slowly, because you don't want to be too fast. You can adjust as you like. Okay. Now let's click on this one, and again same thing. Just click on first, then the shape, then custom, and then delete the path and just draw the new path slowly. Okay. Now the speed, how you drag it, that will be the final speed itself. Okay, it's up to you how you adjust. But if you want the speed to control the speed, you can always do control speed from this option. Okay, faster or slower, all this thing you can do. It's up to you. I want it to be faster, that looks much better. Okay, now let's just go down and do for this one, like go and just do for all the other things. Okay, then again just now another thing is, let's first just animate this and then we'll go to the next effect. Okay, so again just go on and click on like delete path, and just slowly, how whatever speed that you want, you just animate. Okay. Okay, so okay, now next one, just say same thing, delete the path and slowly, steadily, slowly, you just adjust it. Same goes for this one. Just delete the path, existing path, adjust properly. Sorry. uh, First adjust properly. Wait, done. Adjust it properly. Yes. Now click on custom, delete the old path and slowly just draw the path. That slowly. Okay, now it's up to you how you adjust the speed. Now let's go for the next one. Like this is the next one. Again, just delete the path and slowly you just put it like this. Done. Click on this one, delete the path, slowly do it. You can copy paste the old one, it's the same path, right? So you can just do the same thing. Okay, so now This is the this one. Now let's just delete the path and slowly steadily move this one. Okay, same for this one, just delete the path and like repeating myself, but you will understand now. Slowly do it. And maybe I think we can just copy another here, because this is okay. There you want some, and just delete the path and steadily do it. Okay, it's going there. Last three are remaining, so let's complete them as well very quickly. Once you get to speed, it will be just matter of few minutes. Okay, at the beginning you might need to adjust this. These are all new skills, right? For me also, I learned newly, right? So let me just quickly go it. Okay, now the next one, leave the path and slowly steadily make it up. And the final one, the path and slowly steadily do it. Now if you want it to be stable and steady, you can click on the one that the shape that you want, or just all the shapes slowly, or maybe the beginning itself. If you just make the shape as per your expectation, then you can copy paste, you'll have less things to edit. Just click on this custom and see these options. Steady, just click on this steady, again steady, again steady. Just make them steady, it looks much better that way. Okay, again go and click on steady, again go on steady. So just make them all steady, it will look much better that way. Okay, so now you know how I animated this. All simply just added the shape, then added the path, like where it should go, and then just like the effect, pulse effect or flicker effect, whatever effect that you want. And then the steady, because I like the steady one. You can go with the original or smooth, it's up to you. You have to again be creative and do whatever you want. Now I created this one, but you can absolutely do anything. Even you can add custom things, just like for example, you can go to elements and say light arrow, or anything. Okay, just something like this, or whatever you want, you can go and you can use that. It's up to your imagination. For example, I'm just giving you one example, this lightning one. Okay, so if you want this lightning one, sorry, if you want this lightning one, just say whatever direction that you want, you can do it. And then you can, because you also have this animate, right? So if you go and see animate, you can write the custom path of this animation just like this, and that's it. That will go, right? So I'm showing using some very basic idea on these green dots, but you can use absolutely anything that you like from the custom elements, or you can upload one image for you and you can do it, right? So that's pretty easy, isn't it? That's why I told you it is the easiest way most easiest way to create this kind of animation. Okay, now um this is the first one, right? This is using Canva. Now how to download this? So you can just click on this share, and then this is an option called download. You just quickly download it, and not mp4 video, because if you want to upload to LinkedIn or maybe Twitter, wherever GIFs, or even in the YouTube where the GIF is supported, so you want to make the format as GIF. That's it. Then if you do that and download it, that's it. It will just be downloaded in your computer, and you share with the people, or maybe post on LinkedIn, whatever you want to do, you just go ahead and do it. So that's how easy it is. You didn't just say 10 20 minutes because I'm showing him it taking time. But if you give me just 5 minutes or 10 minutes max, I even create like so amazing kind of diagram. I don't have the time to do it because I'm more focused on projects, actual projects, not this diagram making. But if I put my mind and soul into it, of course I can make it very good one. Okay, so I know that you guys wanted to learn how to make this animated diagram. You guys are asking in other author post. I was seeing that nobody replying, nobody giving the actual way how they are doing it, keeping like a trade secret. Nothing to secret. Any UI developer, not UI developer, any illustrator, any designer, know this kind of small pretty tricks. They can do it. It's not new, it's there from last 2 years. Okay, so that's one way I wanted you to learn how to create the animated diagrams. How to create the diagrams, you can go to my channel and just like learn, take, or just go to YouTube, then Sandip, search for Sandip Das, and you go to videos. Latest video was on that. Okay, it's just asking for a download option. You can save it. I don't want to save it, so I just cancel it. But now you know how I have created this animated design so quickly, right? some things here and there need to be fixed, like this one. I didn't get the path, but the idea was to teach you how to like create dynamic diagram, right? So now you know it, right? Okay, so this is done. This is using the Canva. Let me quickly show another popular method, that is via the PowerPoint, because some might say that they're not so used to Canva and they may prefer if I can show using PowerPoint. I will just show two methods for today because that's the most popular two methods of creating these kind of diagrams. And again, the limitation is up to your imagination. Okay, anybody, any fresher, any junior, any senior can come to use this kind of tool and make animated diagrams, and they can post it, right? That's easy. Okay, so let me stop sharing this screen and start sharing another screen. I have around 3 laptops. Again, I'll be using only 2 for now. Okay, so let me quickly come to this one. Okay, now, and let me use the PowerPoint. Okay, give me 1 minute, guys. I want to show you some few things to you guys so that it will make more sense. Okay, now many guys are more interested in how to convert these diagrams into uh, um, you know um diagrams into this like more actual implementation. Okay, if you want this kind of like how to get the diagram then convert diagram to code and all, I have shown a bit of that in my last session. But if you want any hands-on actual implementation, then I may plan for one tutorial later on, not now, because I have a lot of things already in plate. So I will go over that one. Okay, yes, so let me quickly share. Okay, I hope you guys can see me. I hope you guys can see me. Okay. So particular to AWS diagrams, okay, for particular to AWS diagrams, AWS officially giving you all the icons that you need. All the icons. I'm not keeping anything. Okay, all the icons can go to this AWS AWS this particular one. Okay, if you go to this particular, just Google about it. AWS architecture icons. Google about it, and you will definitely come to this particular page where you will see this one. Okay, download toolkit for the PowerPoint. Okay, and this is where you get started. This is where you can design your architecture and as well as create that particular animation or flow diagram. Okay, so first step, of course, it is to first download it. So I know you guys download it, you can do it properly. See, I mistakenly click it, I already have it. So I'll just show you what I have. This is the one that I have. Let me just quickly, yeah, this is the one that AWS will give you. And if you see this one, it's pretty elaborative, to be honest. It will just have all kind of accessibility version and all this kind of how to, you can just copy paste arrows, these dots, this entire framing and all that, which is cool, by the way. And just can copy paste any absolutely anything. It's free for everyone, just go ahead and use it. And from this particular examples, I selected this one. This is easy. I wanted to teach something easy to you guys, and then later on you can always get complicated stuff. Okay, the complicated part I think is to explain something complicated easy way. So let me just try to make something complicated a most simpler, easiest way. So first, let's copy this particular slide. You can just see Control C and Control V or Control N to create a new like this. First Control C, not Control V, sorry. Control C, and then click Control. And now I'm not a Windows user, like disclaimer, but I'm good at Windows because I've been using many years back. But I have a laptop, which is good. Okay, so enough of the jokes. Let's paste it. So I have pasted one diagram from that example that given by AWS. I'll just quickly go ahead and use this one. Okay. Now this is plain diagram. Okay. Now we want to animate it. Just like for the Canva, it was super easy. All the shapes are on. Here also actually bit easy. I will not say it's complicated. Here also easy. You just need to know where to add what. That's all you have to do. First, just like for the Canva, you need to add the shape. So click on this particular draw, not draw, let me see, insert, I forgot, oh yeah, this is one, insert, and then shapes. So click on the shapes, and I like the rounded one, but again you can just absolutely pick any shape. That's up to you and your imagination. So first, let's just draw very beautiful small, yeah, small round shape. And then we can add effects. Okay, so effects like glow, I like the glow effect, and we can use pretty like this one, yeah, yellowish, yellow something. So yeah, this is looks good, right? So some glow effect, right? And I want it to be, I will copy paste, so I will just keep one in the screen and then control C, control V, and then I can keep using this thing. I'm just moving upside like this because I have this one laptop here, right? So then what you want, copy this, and or maybe you can like select this one and put it at the where you want it to be at the beginning. You are creating a framing first, or the starting positions where from where it will move to other places. Okay, so I'm creating that one first. Now after that we want it to be, oh, I mean, yeah, first one here, second one I want to be here. Okay, I want third one, I want fourth one to be here. I want fifth one to be here. Just like from where, okay? From where you want the animation to be flow. You are just creating the flow first, okay? I hope it looks easy because it is easy. Okay, okay. Now just create the points that you want it to be had animated effect. You can't even imagine how easy it is, to be honest. Oh, Spider-Man here. Is it? I don't know. Okay, no, not spider. It's like actually mosquito. But anyway, let's focus on our things. Um, let's just go and delete this one. Okay, so our basic frame actually ready. Okay, nothing. Uh, okay, if you do not have PowerPoint, you have to go back to as a group. It's Guru's question. If you don't have PowerPoint, if you have the keynote, you can use the keynote, which is similar to PowerPoint. If you if you don't like at all this kind of PowerPoint, Canva is a great friend. Okay, at the beginning I showed Canva. If you missed it, you can later on go to the recording. Okay, so it's okay. Okay, we covered that one. Okay, so we created the basic format for the diagram, right? Now copy paste the slide few times. So say I want to be 4 time or 5 time as much as I like, to be honest. So we're creating what? We're creating motions. So each, just think like this slides. So 1 to 6 are 6 frames, okay? And each frames you want it the motion to work. So first frame, of course, it will be at the beginning frame. It will be nothing, just um, um, how this can be animated. I'll show you. Just wait, wait. This is from Dennis. So just wait. I'm going to make it animated. Don't worry. Okay. Now we have the 6 frames. And second option, just move it a bit. Just move that this glowing part. Move a bit. Okay. Move a bit. Just a little bit. See, I'm moving it. Just slowly a bit. Now, if you don't want to overwork, you can just delete or you can just just remove the 4 frames. We'll make 6 frames ultimately, but just copy this one so that we know the last motion and paste it. Okay. So from the last motion, just move it a bit. Again, move it a bit. Just move it a bit. A little bit like this. Now I'm not maybe doing it perfect, but you will have time for make it perfect. Not like me. You will have time later. Okay. Okay, just slowly, right? Here also, let's make a small progress. So adjust according to your intuition and your uh, see, it's just moving, right? Look like moving. Make it to be proper, aligned. Do all this time if you have time. Okay, I don't have too much time, so I'll be a bit quick. I want to show you how to make it, and you can make it later on beautiful. You will have time. Paste it. Now just from the last position again, move it, move it, move it, move everything. Okay, slowly, slowly. Now a bit, just a little bit. Okay, the one that you have. Again, copy the last slide. Copy, paste it. Come and again move it, move it a little bit. Make it a bit more. We have to complete the cycle, right? So okay. Okay, it's coming up. It's coming. Now, okay, 6. Let's complete the movement. Okay, I am tired of all this. Okay, let's just complete it. I know you guys now will have a basic idea, right? Now, one guy was saying, David saying you can use the fluid flow. Use fluid flow. Now, I'm not that kind of a PowerPoint expert. Sorry, I don't know what is fluid flow and all, but I know how to just make the animation. But that's it. Okay, so now we have the basic stuff, right? So we want this at the beginning, the step. Copy that one and make sure just paste it so that it will be a circular one. So just from the moving again, it goes back to the previous one like that. Okay, now you just have to use this option called go to transition, and there's a morph. Okay, so click on that. See, it's look like moving. Morph. Go to each slide and morph it. Each slide and morph it. Each slide and morph it. Okay, you now understand I'm morphing it. Okay, so let's go. Okay, okay, looks good. Now, one thing that I want, okay, let's do morphing here also. I think no more, we don't need the morphing the last page. Then will be a problem, I guess. Okay, looks like it's going to work. Now, there is this duration stuff. Okay, so go to that. Okay, so this thing make it 0.5 because we want it to be quicker, not like 2 second wait and then change another. No, we don't want that. We want it to be 0.5. It's a half a second. Okay, and this on not on the mouse click, by the way, we want on the automatically, right? So unclick on this one. Okay, here if you see in the screen on top, this on mouse click, we don't want that. We want after, like immediately after. Okay, again go to the next one, do the exact same thing, make that like for each page make the duration 0.5. Okay, so 0.5 for all the pages, and again same step, remove this on click and make it after 000, that thing. Again go for this one, and after 00 make it 0.5, and again this one make it, okay, it's already 0.5. Okay, then come here, and it's now those who are already pro in these things may do it better than me, but yeah, it's okay. I'm just trying to teach what I know. Okay, don't worry. Then 5, then after this again come to this and 0.5, then remove the on mouse click given and after. So just verify once that morphing is properly set and is moving properly. Okay, and some problem will happen, don't worry, we can fix later on. Just this basic structure has to be right at the beginning. Okay, okay, so we have it, and make sure that duration 0.5, and that it's after the, like, not on the mouse click, it's after. Okay, so we have the basic design ready. We are all set to create the basic animation at least, right? What to do or how we can create the basic animation now. So just click on this file, and then there is an option called export. Okay, so just click on this export. Okay, and this thing they're asking like create an animation, animated GIF. We are going to go for that one. So click on this, create an animated GIF, and you can select medium, like what is the speed you want, extra large is up to you. I will keep it entire choice up to you, how much quality or how much larger to make it. I'll just go with what the default option are to make it quick. And I will just go ahead and click on this create GIF. So let's do it and just save it maybe on documents, whatever you want to save it, you can save it. We don't much care about that one, right? So just make sure that I save it somewhere, or maybe in the desktop. I'm just saving the desktop, it will be easier. I think, yeah, it's saved. So let me just quickly go down, minimize the screens, and I can go and check on this here. So it should be somewhere here. I hope I saved it in the, let's see, yeah, presentation. See, it's moving, it's now animated. I'm not, maybe that it's not that good looking yet, because you need some time to adjust it, the speed, the animation flow. You can make it more special looking and all that. Some things you have to make adjust it, but you got the basic idea, right? How I did it. Something need to be adjusted, it requires time. I think you can use the path animation. Yeah, that also you can utilize. Okay. So yeah, anyway, I'm not expert on this PowerPoint stuff, disclaimer, but I'm good at Canva. That's why the Canva one's much more better to me, because I love using Canva much. But yeah, this one is also pretty good, I will say. Not bad, right? This is how you can create the animation or animated diagrams. Now this session was actually not about, I mean, I told you before itself, but it was not about how to create diagrams, that I covered last week. It was not about how you implement, because that I'm going to cover slowly over the weeks, because that takes a lot of time. Okay. So yeah, I hope you guys like it, and don't just go ahead and ask like what what I was curious. Okay, when I saw this one on the LinkedIn and Twitter, I was curious how these guys are making it. Is there any tools? How the hell they're making, but I'm not able to make it. I don't know. Now that's a curiosity, okay, which leads me, and it took me maybe how much, um, maybe around 1 day or 2 day max to max, and I love, like, I mean, I able to quickly grab this one. Okay. So that's okay. One question from Ajal Guru. Did you change your mic? Actually, yeah, I have another mic like this one, which I not sorry, which I don't use this much these days. Which I sometime when doing post with other people I do it, but this one is good. I like this one as well. So yeah, okay. Okay, any question related to this animation stuff? And of course, let me again go and share the Canva part, because I think I missed that one. So just go ahead and show you, uh, because some people miss the Canva. So I'll just quickly go and show you that Canva part just once. Okay, give me 1 minute. I know it's creating rippling effect. Okay, this is the Canva one. So if you see this one, yeah, I also think is saying that Aqua, I think Canva is better. I also feel that way. Now again, PowerPoint, there are many pros are there who can actually use PowerPoint like crazy. They can do like crazy, can do crazy stuff with that. So it's not like that one tool is like best and no other tools are can do it. It's just that people's skills doesn't matter, because I knew Canva, I knew PowerPoint, but I was not the guy who know how to make all this. Okay, so I had to just learn it and do it. Okay, now some tools may be comfortable to me, and some tools may be comfortable to other guys. It's up to entire other people's choices. I personally like Canva more because it's more easy, because you see how I just draw the once, I don't have to copy paste all the slides. Now, maybe in PowerPoint there are easier ways, I am not aware right now. Just like say one that from saying you can use path animation. Now I'm not that much aware. I heard about it. I'm not used to that. That is that one. Okay. Of course, there are a lot of things that we all need to learn. But I hope that you guys like this one. Okay. So let's just quickly go Canva, and this is the one we built in Canva. Again, if you just don't know, I mean, just later on you can rewind the video and check. At the beginning, I covered the Canva because Canva was super easy. It is like very quickly I will just cover, so that you has a grasp of what we did. It was simply I just added a shape, okay, and shape there was the animation option, and I create like, let me just quickly remove this one. So I created a path like this. So I hold shift and slowly created a path, and that's it. That created animation. for that particular shop. It was a lot easier to me. Maybe some other people may find it difficult at the beginning. It's fine. You use it, it become easy. That's how it is. Okay. Great. Okay. So I hope that you guys like this session. Now, uh, I will start my that DevOps bootcamp, which was I'm doing. I made in 10, 11 videos, but then I stopped. I took rest. Then I'm going to continue from next week. I see tomorrow if I can. Most probably I cannot. So maybe I will continue from next week. And not just that, I was working on other stuff. I make great content, but now I understand I can make even more animated, more this kind of thing. So which I will, now this is a new skill that I also acquired. I will try to acquire this one. I will try to make more visually appealing content, which will be useful next time onwards. So always up for that kind of stuff. Let's see what happens. And of course, and what questions came that are you using free version? Now I have pro. I used to use like old Canva version. I'm not that 100% sure is it pro feature or not. You can just go ahead and check it. If it's pro, you can use the PowerPoint. Like, it's a free one, right? Okay. Thus, could you please include a link to the video tutorial creating AWS diagram? Okay, yes, that one. Let me just quickly paste it. Okay, I think that will be super good thing because many people was not there, right? It's fine. Let me quickly do it. I will just share that link. Just 1 minute. Yes, so I've just shared the link. Okay, I shared the link. If you see this one, you can find in the comment section. There you can just go and now this is I think only for what do you call it? In YouTube, the comments work. We cannot post in the LinkedIn, unfortunately. But yeah, just go to my channel. See, I'll just quickly show you. Let's share the screen. This one, just go to my channel, and this one was the video hands-on AWS architecture actual implementation. In that video I actually showed you how using Terraform, not just how to create the diagrams in different tools. I shown using Terraform how you can create the infrastructure as well. So you can, like, this is more of a good practical one which actually getting resource as well if you want the resource creation part. Okay, so you can always refer to this one, this video. Just go to my channel and search, like, the first video in the homepage itself is this one. Okay, so you can always check that one. Okay, hope you like it. And yeah, so I think that's it today, guys. I hope you like it. If you're new to my channel, if you're watching on YouTube, please do subscribe. I will definitely, I would really appreciate that one. It encourages me. And if you are watching this on LinkedIn, feel free to just follow and click on that bell icon. I think that these guys latest newly added. So you do it so that when I can when I post and it's something useful, you'll get notified. Okay. So have a nice day ahead and have a very good Sunday. Enjoy the family and learn a lot more.